Hello everyone, this is Bharat and I recently started my new channel regarding how to solve problems using Python and I want to teach how to solve a problem, how to solve different problems in Python. That helps to build your logical skills and logical thinking and how to solve problems using Python and different languages. I want to teach how to approach a problem with your logical skills and all. Most of the students are struggling with approaching a problem even if they know how to solve the problem, but they can't write the code as it can. That's why I'm here to help you. uh, in my last video I solved pattern problem about how to print a rectangle using for loop and all in Python language, and today I'm going to solve two more problems on patterns, because I said that in before class also, but in this class also pattern problems are more important for that solving, like for loops, understanding for loops and while loops and all. That's why I am going to start with new problems. Today I'm going to discuss about a problem about given a number n, write a program to print pyramid of n rows using stars. Okay, let's. What they given is you have to take the input n and print the pyramid of n rows using stars. And once you look into this problem, in first line there will be space and one star, and in second line it will be three stars and space, and in uh, third line it should be five stars and no space is there. And look into this problem. If for example, if the given number is n equal to 4, we have to print n rows and look into stars how count was increasing here. let's uh, let's see in notepad. For example, here they want to mention n as input. We want to take like integer, that's why we are taking like input. We have to print n rows using stars and print pyramid. What they mentioned that in that question, if you see, given that if n equal to 4, the pattern was like if you look at this, in first row there will be one star, and here some space will be there. If you look into in that problem, we also find that space also. First of all, look into the stars. In second row there will be three stars. In third row as well it should be five stars. In fourth row it should be seven stars. Here you look into this problem, the star count was increasing by 2. 1, 3, 5, 7. Increasing by 2. If you observe that. And go to the problem statement. The space count would be also here 1, 2, 3 spaces. After that 1 star, 1, 2 spaces, and after that 3 stars, and 1 space, after that 5 stars, and in fourth line there will be no space and also 7 stars. If you look into this, the space count will be 3, 2, 1, 0 in decreasing order. If we look into this, each time there will be decreasing 1 space. With this information, spaces and stars, we have to find the logic to how to approach this problem and get into this problem to solve using for loop and all. If first of all take input, right, n equal to int of input, then after they said that n rows should be there for I in range of n. We should take n, right? Then in each line there should be first 1, 3, 5, 7, right? The n values are 0, 1, 2, 3. Then what to add this? We will get these values using these values. If you find this, we will get how many stars we are going to do that. This for add 1 plus 1, this for plus 2, this for plus 3, this for plus 4. If you see this, increasing plus 1 every time. Then what we do is take another variable like count. First initialize with 1. Why? Because first we have to add 0 plus 1, and after that count will be updated to plus 1. This will be added to this one. In that way you have to get the logic for stars. And about spaces, how it was starting 0, 1, 2, 3, right? For range, the spaces will be 3, 2, 1, 0. It was completely opposite. Then what should we do is, for logic n minus I, if we use this formula, we will get spaces, right? If you see this in this pattern, there will be space between every star. Every star there will be space after that star. That's why you include star space. This will be the 1 star, considered as 1 star. Then do it in code program. First take input as n equal to int of input, and what I said is take another variable 1, initialize with 1, because we have to add for 0. That's why for I in range of n. For stars, what should we do is star equal to what I said, I plus count. This many times we have to repeat the stars. Are you getting my point? This many times I plus count 1 times we have to repeat the stars. Star means star with 1 space. This will be the star. And for space, what I said is n minus I spaces. Why? Why? Because is that if you look into this, here n minus I spaces would be added, then it should be 3 minus 0, 3 spaces first of all, 2 minus 1, again 3 minus 1, 2 spaces, again 3 minus 2, 1 spaces, 3 minus 3, 0 spaces. Every time we have take subtraction for n minus I times, then we will get space logic. We have to multiply with the space. Then what should we do is, because we have to update the count value. If you don't update the value, count value will be 1 until the range n. If you give 1, the star count will be not increasing. That's why we have to increase the count value. Before that, we have to print. First space should be there, right? That's why space plus star. Then let's run the code and check the output if it is getting right or wrong. If you see this, space count will be less because here we are taking star plus space as 1 star. That's why in space we have to take double space. If you take double space, it will be getting pyramid shape. Are you getting my point? Let's do it. Here I give 1 space only. We have to give 2 spaces. Then it should be correct. Okay, let's run the code and check it once. Even also we are not getting the exact output because we are getting extra space, right? Let's see what's happening. Okay, I got it, the point. Plus 1. Okay, I got it. What the exact problem is? Here we are going to mistaken because it was n minus I plus 1. Why? Because I told you it was double spaces. Yes, we got the right answer. Why we are taking n minus I plus 1 is, let's look into this. Here n equal to 4, right? The values of 0, 1, 2, 3. If we go through this, n minus I, we are taking this formula, right? 4 minus 0, it should be 4. 4 into 2, 8 spaces. 4 minus 1, 4 into 3 into 2, it was 6 spaces. 4 minus 2, 2 into 2, 4 spaces. 4 minus 3, 2 spaces. If you do like this, in last row also we are getting 2 spaces, right? We are here only up to 3, but we are getting subtracted from n value. If you do like this, in last row also we are getting spaces. That's why n minus I plus 1 is the correct approach to solve this problem. That's why if you use notes, pen and paper, you will get better approach. Even I also do mistakes. Then every approach is different. Some other persons will do in other approaches. Then just look into the problem, what they have mentioned, then write down the in notes using pen and paper, and after that realize that changing these values will help approaching the problem in efficient way. That's why try different methods, then you will get logical approach, logical thinking about the problem. Okay, then thank you. Subscribe for more videos. Thank you.